Well, howdy again, tubers. Well, I got my little contraption in there. I liked what Carl said that he did. He said he sprayed some heat-resistant foam on there. So, but anyways, that's what I've got. In there. So, let's fire it up and let it sit here a while and see what happens. Let me pause this. Okay, fuel on, master on, mag on, correct the throttle, key on. Let them things do their thing. Okay. Okay, I'll probably have to crank it. Well, let me try with that since I ran it a while ago. But that's been an hour or so ago. So we'll just see if it'll fire up. Clear? Secondary ignition on. Showing 82 degrees on the oil temp. Put the tape over this like Stephen Hummel said. Let me put my finger over that. Of course, this is probably not as loud as what it would be, but I'll put my finger over that. Now you probably can't hear me. Taking my finger off the hole now. Alright. There you go. What do you think? On the oil temp, 68 on the oil pressure. Fuel flow right now is 0.8 of a gallon, or 0.8 of a gallon an hour. I idled it down, it went up to 1 gallon an hour. Now it's to 0.7 an hour, 0.5. Says I've got 5.4 gallons in there, and it should be 9. The MGL gauges says I can fly for 10 hours and 48 minutes at that fuel flow, or 229 miles, well, 172 miles now. 216 now. It's MGL, you never know. Well, anyways, that ought to be enough for this video. It's probably getting boring, so I'll let you go. I hope everybody stays safe, and God bless you all. There you go.